नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद. Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Afi Abdul Samad. I would like to say a beautiful moral story which reveals the iman of a boy. Mr. Hassan has 3 sons, Farooq, Abdullah and Qasim. He loved them very much. He wanted to see them grow up as good Muslims. Mr. Hassan himself was a good Muslim. He did his best to obey all commands of Allah. One day, Mr. Hassan thought to test his sons. He gave each of them some sweets and said, "Eat the sweets in such a place where no one can see you. And when you have done so, come back to me." Farooq took the sweets and went to his room. He shut the door from the inside and ate the sweets, thinking that no one could see him there. Abdullah went to the cellar of the house and he was sure that nobody was there. He ate the sweets in the darkness of the cellar. Qasim thought and thought about a place where he could eat the sweets without anyone seeing him. He could think of no such place. Every time he thought about a place, he remembered that Allah could see him and he did not eat the sweets. Farooq and Abdullah came back and told Mr. Hassan about what they did. Qasim came and returned the sweets to his father, saying, "There is no place which is secret from Allah, and so I did not eat the sweets." Mr. Hassan was very pleased with Qasim. He told Farooq and Abdullah to learn a lesson from their brother Qasim. Mr. Hassan also said, "My dear sons, always keep in mind that Allah knows everything and He sees everything. He is with us all the time. So we should not do anything bad, even in secret, because Allah knows." May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with rewards and belief. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.